So how to cancel a standing order on Lloyds. So to cancel a standing order, if you go ahead and click on the account that you want to delete the standing order for, click on the three dots at the top, and then this will open you up to your account settings, where you can go ahead and view all your standing orders by clicking regular payments. And then once you've clicked through to regular payments, you should see any standing orders that are registered on your Lloyds account. So for example, here we've got one right now for £20. So if we wanted to go ahead and cancel it, just go ahead and click it. And at the bottom here, it'll give you the choice to either amend it or delete it. So because we want to delete it, we'll go ahead and press delete. And then once you've done that, your Lloyds standing order is now deleted and you have successfully cancelled your standing order on Lloyds. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.